Hi everyone, welcome to our channel CodeBeyondDegree. Today we will create page for our website. In our menu we have Home, About Us and Contact Us page. Now we will move to our dashboard and create those pages. Page, all pages. We have default pages, we will delete those. Move to trash, apply, add new page. Now first we will create home page. Our title will be home. Click on publish. Our home page has been created. Add new page. Now we have to create about us page. Our title will be about us. Publish. Again, add new page. Now we will create contact us page. Our title will be contact us. Publish. Now we will visit our page. View page. Our default page look like this. Now we'll open our home page. Page. All page. In home page we will click edit with TV. Build with scratch. Now we'll select two column. In wireframe we can see there is two column. In first column we'll search for heading, change the text, code beyond degree, in design section change the color of heading, yellow, writing size is okay. Now we'll create paragraph, search for text. Here we will place short description of code beyond degree. I've copied and pasted it. So now we will change the color of this text. Text color black. Now you can see extra padding between header and paragraph. We'll move to design section, spacing, padding bottom 0, margin is 5px. Okay. Now we'll create button. Select the button. We'll rename this button. Contact us. Now we will move to design section. Button. Use custom style for button. Button size 16px. Button text color below. I think button look good. Now I'll move to the second column. Search for image. For now, we'll place logo here. Now we'll align this image, design alignment, right. Our hero section has been completed. Now I'll move to the About Us section. A new section, regular, single column or heading, search for heading, select, change the heading text, About Us, go to design section, heading text color yellow, heading font with semi-bold, and text align center. Here we can't able to differentiate the header and About Us section, so I think we have to give background to the About Us section. Background, I'll pick the yellow color, decrease the opacity. I think now this looks better. Now let's see on wireframe. We have to create two columns, one for paragraph and other for image. Insert row, insert model, text. Now I'll give short description here. Now in second column, we'll search for image. We'll place image, upload. This is our YouTube channel image. Now the text size and the image size is not equal, so I am going to place more text. I think it looks better than before. Now we'll create contact us section. In left side of contact us section, there is contact information, and in right side there is contact us form. To create contact us section, I will copy About Us section and paste it so that we don't have to work too much on the design section of our contact us page. Setting, background color, right. Now we'll change the heading text About Us to contact us. Now here we have to create phone number, address and email. Delete this. Search for blog. Select. Now go to design section. Imagine icon. Imagine icon position left. Now we will remove body text. And change title text. Demo phone number. Now go to image and icon section. Click on use icon. Search for phone. Select the icon. Now we'll change the icon color to yellow. Decrease the size of icon. I think 25 will be best. Phone number is not visible, so just increase the width, font width to semi-bold. Okay. Now we'll create address and after that email. Now copy this blog section, change the icon, search for address, select icon, okay. Now change the text, type the sample address, now copy, change the text title, support at the rate CodeBeyondDegree, change the icon, search for mail, select the mail icon, okay. Now we will add paragraph, search for text, paste the demo text. Now change the text color. And now we'll create contact us form in second column. Search for form. Select contact form. Here we can see name, email, and message. In our wireframe, we can see our input field are fully. So we will click on name, setting, design, layout, make full width. Okay. Same as it, we will also make email address full width. Full width. Now we'll give title or contact us form title. Feel free to message us. In our design, there is no spam protection, so we'll remove spam protection. Now we'll change the color of button. Use custom style for button text size 16 px, color yellow. I think now button is also looking good. Our home page has been completed. Now we'll save our home page. Now we'll go to dashboard and open our contact us page. Edit with TV. Build from scratch. Now for contact us, we'll copy same content which we have created in our home page. Right click, copy section. Go to contact us page. Right click and paste section. Contact us section has been created in contact us page. Now delete this line section. Now the header and contact us section is not differentiable, so we will give background color to the contact us section. We will copy color code from home page to the contact us page, background, paste the color. Now our contact us page looks good. Now we'll save our page. Move to the dashboard. Edit about us page with TV. Copy the about us section from home page. and paste section in about us page. Delete the blank section. Save the page. Now our about us page has been completed. Now move to dashboard. Widget side. Here our homepage content is not displayed, so we have to move to our dashboard, setting, reading, and click on a static page option. In page, select home, save changes. Now refresh this page. Now you can see our home page is displayed. This is our home page. This is our about us page. This is our contact us page. Now we have to make our contact us form functional. For that we have to give email on contact us form, setting, email, place the email where you have to get message when the end user send a message. I will place my email CodeBeyondDegree@gmail.com. Okay. Now when end user fill this form, you will get mail in that email. Now we'll place email in contact us page. Save page. Now we have to install plugin so that we can get those email in our dashboard. We'll search for DB form DB plugin. Open contact form DB plugin. Download. Now go to dashboard, plugin, get new plugin, upload plugin, choose file, install now. Our plugin is installing. Now we have to activate plugin, activate plugin. Now go to DB form DB plugin. You can see there is no data. Now we'll go to our website and fill the form. Name test, email test@gmail.com, message hi, and submit the form. Who has been submitted. Now go to dashboard, refresh the dashboard page, click on view form submission. Here we can see mail which we have filled. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.